Yeah, so hi people, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. Yeah, I needed a time out. I did. In the last month, I've been looking at houses, or sorry, apartments to be more precise. And 2 weeks ago on Thursday, I signed for my apartment, and yeah, I'm delighted about it. It's got a balcony, it's south facing, a big huge balcony, and just at this point in time I just needed to take a break out. I have been moving some stuff in, but there's no flooring. It's a brand new apartment, so there's no flooring, so I have to get that done over in the next few weeks. I missed out with John McGrath, John Travers. I was raging about that one. I missed out on another camp. Those lads have been sleeping in fields and forests for years. I would have been at my granny's with those lads. So yeah, I was raging I missed out on that, but I just had to put me focus and the same vigour and fire in my belly into the YouTube videos now I have to put into the house or the apartment, and that's going to take me about 2 weeks. I have a trip planned for next week. I'm not sure if I'm going to make that one, but yeah, so I just wanted to come down and see the apartment. I'll show it to you. So I'm off to Sutton. Yeah, Sutton now. This is Houthead. I came up here just to walk, and yeah, this is Sutton. This is Houthead. So I'm off to Sutton. Ta-ra. Yeah, come on, I'll bring us down and show you a quick look at the apartment. Yeah, yeah, but this will be my stomping ground. I'm going to know all of this Houthead, except for, I don't know, some of you may know or remember me saying that I'm afraid of heights. I'm a complete wimp. It's actually vertigo. It sounds more macho, doesn't it? I have vertigo. Yeah, so yeah, so once I get to a cliff I have to turn back, and I have done with Miriam Kennedy. She must have thought I was a right wuss. I had to turn back because we got to looking down cliffs, looking down high heights, and then that wasn't it for me. But anyway, I'm waffling on. I am going to be discovering a lot more. That's Dublin Bay over there. Actually, from my apartment you can see Houthead, and from just out at the front you can see all of Dublin Bay and the Poolbeg Towers as well. So yeah, it'd be interesting getting photography out there. Anyways, look, come on, we go down and have a look at the apartment. Yeah, so I'm back in the apartment now, and I brought my daughter over with me. Say hi, Abby. Say hi, it's from a YouTube channel.
No, Daddy.
She's
No,
here.
seriously.
Yeah, no, I will not. I picked up my daughter and I brought her over, and come on and give us a look around. It's like, that's, let's see, I'm moving a lot of stuff. That's the guest room, or Abby's room. And there's a bathroom there. I got some stuff in, you know. That's already tiled. And then this room here, and bathroom. And I got some stuff put in, yeah. So it's all flooring at the moment, no carpets or no tiles or anything around. So hang on, I'll turn it around. I'll give you a view of the balcony then. Okay, hold on. Right, so this is the entrance. There's a big utility room for washer and dryer in there, and then this is the entrance here, and that's my kitchen there, and that's my daughter there just doing what she normally does, looking into an iPhone. And yeah, that's quite a long wall actually. I think from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah, that's a good 6 meters long. And there's Houthead, and this balcony is the same width as the room inside. 16.5 feet. 16.5 feet balcony, huh? I'll be setting tents up there, lads. Okay, so say goodbye.
No, can you seriously stop it?
You're going to a teenage girl. Yeah, so that's the only thing about out here is it's like fucking very like an office block or something, but I'm gonna fill that wall with stuff, pictures, plants, everything, and it'll make it a lot more cozier. Yeah, so that's the stuff. As you can imagine, I'm stoked about this. So yeah, just so much to do over the next 4 weeks, but I will get it done, and I promise I'll be back with another video pretty soon. So guys, listen, everyone take care, and chat to you again. Thanks for everyone. Bye bye.